development of global and green energy revolution, more and more governments change HID to LED. HID retrofit is the first choice for LED markets. Today, I'm going to introduce you GuanKe Area. GuanKe Area is bound to meet shoebox replacements. We have an 18 watt and 110 watt to replace 250 watt and 400 watt HID. GuanKe Area with on-4 bin type for better heat dissipation. On-off smart switch. 350-degree space. Ensure correct position to install. 5,000 voltage surge protection, 50,000 hours lifespan. GuanKe Area with smaller size compared with products on the market. GuanKe Area can make more enclosed feature. UL classifies DLC and also US patents is available. GuanKe Area is suitable to use in shoebox and comprehend in parking lot. Now, my colleague will introduce how to install GuanKe Area. There is 250 watt HID in shoebox fixture. Now we will replace with GuanKe 18 watt Area. First of all, we need to take off the HID lamp and remove the Ethernet and capacitor. Also remove or bypass the ballast. Directly connect the wire. Install GuanKe Area. Connect to the existing socket. The last step is open the wing. Then finish. Thanks for watching. Please contact us for more